Hi there, this is Lea your YesOnline English tutor. You may call me Lea or Teacher Lea, wherever you're comfortable with. I'm a teacher with great passion and determination. Adapting and adjusting to students' interests and learning styles are my forte. If you feel you're not confident enough to start a conversation during a sample class, no worries about that. I'm here to do the best of my ability to make no pressure and to make you feel cozy. I know for a fact that learning something new is very arduous. Nevertheless, with patience and dedication, I do believe learning it is just hard at first. Later, you will get used to it and you won't notice that you are already good at it. Since learning is a never-ending process, you might feel exhausted in the middle of it. But I tell you, you can stop or rest for a while, yet you don't lose hope and never quit. If you feel like giving up, I'm here to encourage you. If you feel like you can't be great in English, I'm here to tell you that in every problem, there is a solution. I will help you with that. Let's do things one step at a time and soar high like an eagle. The sky is the limit. If I can do it, so do you. Again, this is Teacher Lea saying, there is no paradise without sacrifice. So see you soon, everyone, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.